This kit's 1/3 horsepower. 11-amp motor provides all the power, durability, and versatility required on professional job sites. A dust-sealed switch protects against dust ingestion for longer switch life. And the motor housing is nickel-plated for a smooth, long-lasting depth adjustment. With a micro-fine depth adjustment ring, you can count on accurate adjustment in 1/64 of an inches increments, while a clear, Lexan sub-base ensures durability, visibility, and the ability to accept standard template guide bushings. The included sub-base concentricity gauge enhances accuracy even further by helping you maintain bit concentricity. And long, 8-slot collets that are self-releasing provide excellent bit retention for dependability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. A steel motor camlock and quick-release motor latches make adjustments and base changes tool-free, fast and easy when you need to switch tasks. And a unique, detachable cord set helps keep this tool easy to service. The overmolded, rubber handles and well-balanced body will keep you working comfortably for hours. The unique switch and cord set configuration allows you to keep the switch in your right or left hand. And a flat top further increases to ease of bit and depth changes. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 1/3 of a horsepower. The 11-amp motor provides the power to route smoothly through the toughest hardwoods. Number 2. Micro-fine depth adjustment ring provides precise depth adjustments in 1/64 of an inches increment. Number 3. Adjustable, tool-free steel motor camlock makes depth adjustment and base changes quick and solid locking. Number 4. Quick-release motor latches for fast and easy motor pack removal for bit and base changes. Number 5. Sub-base concentricity gauge included ensuring bit concentricity for best-in-class accuracy. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.